What's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here. So let me start this live event on July 22nd, 2024. It's 12:37 in the afternoon here in Sao Paulo, Brazil. We're going to start this live event by showing you the charts, and I just closed my second position on the Cadchf. It was a sell position. We went short on the Cadchf, and let me explain why we did it and exactly why we closed the second position with a profit, as well as the first position. The first position we closed with a profit a few days ago, and the second position we just closed a few minutes ago. So let me do a quick review to you guys. So okay, just one second. Okay, so here I have to open my Cadchf screen on TradingView. All right, so here, guys, I'm on my Cadchf position. This is TradingView. It's an excellent website to show us very user-friendly charts. Here on my Cadchf position, as you can see, I'm using Pvsra. If you don't know how to use Pvsra, I know that a few of you guys are very new to my channel. If you have never seen my channel before, let me explain. So I'm going to close this indicator. Let me get rid of this indicator as well. All right. So let's say if you have a plain chart on on TradingView, and you want to plot the Pvsra indicators that I coded. So all you have to do is you go here on indicators, and you have to look for PVA. And the first two ones that are shown to you are the ones that I coded. So this PVA Candle Plus Dragon by Japa Rico, and this PVA volume. So all you have to do now is you click on this one, and you click on this one, and voila, they are being plotted to you. Okay, you can see that the colors have changed, and you see the volume, the PVA volume, the colors here also have changed. So before you didn't have a volume indicator, now you have a volume indicator. And before the candles, the price candles were not colored. Now the price candles are colored according to Pvsra. Okay, so first of all, Pvsra, for those who don't know, stands for price, volume, and support and resistance analysis. So it's there are a lot of things that define Pvsra, so I'm not going to explain in detail every single detail about Pvsra. Just going to say that after we followed and we saw this accumulation of volume just above a key level, in this case there are many key levels in Pvsra. One of them is the 200 EMA, which is this yellow dotted line. Okay, so we first identify the overall trend of the market for a long time, since June the 3rd this year, so June the 3rd until here, July the 2nd. For all this period, the price was being negotiated below the baseline, the 200 EMA. Okay, so for this entire period, it was a bearish trend. What do you call a bearish trend? According to Pvsra, in this case, a bearish trend, price is being negotiated below our baseline. Okay, so that's a clear bearish trend for us. Okay, so bearish trend when price has been negotiated below a baseline, our baseline, which is the 200 EMA. When price started to be negotiated above the baseline, the 200 EMA, then becomes a bullish trend. Okay, but having that said, a lot of times what happens is that you have a clear bearish trend for a long period of time, and then price becomes, you think it becomes like a bullish trend, but it's just for a short period, and then and then becomes a bearish trend again, which it happened in this case in the CAD CHF. It happened that for a long time, more than a month, okay, more than a month, price was on a clear bearish trend. It went above, the 200 EMA for a while, to then become a bearish trend again. Okay, so if you go back here, it's very clear to you guys that it did this zigzag pattern. So what is a zigzag pattern? It made a new low, okay, zag. When it did the zag, price was being traded, price was being negotiated above the 200 EMA, so above the baseline, to then what? To then started to go bearish again. Okay, so it started to go on a trend on a downtrend again. Okay, so it did a zigzag, another zig again. Okay, so here when it did this zig pattern of the zigzag pattern, it made a new low. Okay, what is a new low? So new low is when here you can see the previous button. Okay, the previous button, it made a new button. Okay, so here you can call low, and then it made a new low. Okay, here it didn't do it yet, and then I'm going to explain why I closed it exactly at the half level. What is the half level? The half level is when you have something like 500. So in this case, you have 0.64480. Okay, which is very close. Okay, very close to this level of 64500. Okay, so at the 64500, I identify the half level. Okay, so let me type to you guys at 64500. Okay, this 500 is what we call half level. Okay, if it were 64000, this would be whole level. Okay, but because it's 500, it's half level. So once we identify this, we identify accumulation of volume. Okay, so there was accumulation of volume here, and the volume was an engulfing pattern. Okay, this is engulfing pattern. Once you have this rejection from the half level, is a good moment to close the second position. So we identified this accumulation of volume here, and price was being, just one second. Okay, well, just one second. I have to go now, but just for the sake of the explanation, once you have a rejection with notable volume on the volume bar from the half level, is a good moment to close the second position. I'm going to explain further. I have to go now for lunch, but I'm going to explain further to you guys after lunch. Okay, so thanks for watching. Let me see if we have any questions. Probably not, right? So, oops. Probably we don't have any questions. Yeah, we don't have any questions. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next live event here on my English channel. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.